Have you ever looked around and felt like everyone else is moving forward while you are standing in the same place? You wake up every morning with dreams. You make plans. You promise yourself that today will be different. But when the day ends, nothing has changed. The same routine, the same excuses, the same disappointment. What if I told you that the biggest thing holding you back isn't your situation? It isn't your family. It isn't your luck. It's the invisible prison inside your own mind. Most people believe success comes from talent, money, or opportunity. But history proves something different. The people who changed their lives first changed the way they thought. Imagine a small seed buried under the ground. From the outside, it looks dead. Nobody notices it. Nobody believes in it. But deep below the surface, it is growing stronger every single day. One day, it breaks through the soil and becomes a mighty tree. Your life is exactly like that seed. Just because people can't see your progress doesn't mean you're not growing. The real danger isn't failure. The real danger is giving up before your breakthrough arrives. Every successful person has faced moments of doubt. They questioned themselves. They felt tired. They wanted to quit. The only difference is they kept moving when everyone else stopped. Think about this. A river cuts through solid rock, not because it is stronger than the rock, but because it never stops flowing. Consistency beats talent. Discipline beats motivation. Action beats excuses. Many people wait for the perfect moment. They say, I'll start when I feel confident. But confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence is the reward for taking action again and again. Every day you delay your dreams, fear grows stronger. Every day you take one small step, courage grows stronger. Life doesn't change overnight. It changes one decision at a time. One habit, one book, one workout, one conversation, one opportunity accepted instead of ignored. The problem is that people underestimate small actions because they can't see immediate results. But success is like building a wall. You don't build it in one day, you lay one brick perfectly, then another, then another. Eventually, everyone sees the wall, but nobody remembers the thousands of bricks behind it. Your future is being built by the choices you make today, not tomorrow. Today, stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Everyone has a different journey. Comparison steals joy. Comparison steals confidence. Comparison steals progress. Focus on becoming better than the person you were yesterday. Even 1% better every day creates massive change over time. There will be people who doubt you. Some will laugh at your dreams. Some will tell you to stay average because your growth makes them uncomfortable. Don't argue. Don't complain. Let your results become your answer. Remember this: the strongest people aren't the ones who never cry. They are the ones who keep walking even with tears in their eyes. Strength isn't about never falling. Strength is choosing to stand up one more time. Every failure teaches something. Every mistake builds wisdom. Every obstacle develops character. Pain can either destroy you or transform you. The choice is always yours. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with fewer resources than you is chasing their dream. Not because life is easier for them, because they refuse to stop. Ask yourself one question. If nothing changes in the next 5 years, will you be proud of the choices you're making today? If the answer is no, then today is the perfect day to begin. You don't need to have everything figured out. You only need enough courage to take the first step. Turn off distractions. Create a daily routine. Write your goals. Learn a new skill. Exercise your body. Feed your mind with positive thoughts. Protect your time like your future depends on it. Because it does. Never forget this truth. Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Your failures are chapters, not the ending. Your fears are temporary. Your potential is limitless if you choose to believe in yourself and work for it every single day. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started today or you'll be grateful that you did. The decision belongs to you. Stand up. Take the first step. Keep going when it's hard. Keep believing when nobody else does. Because one day you will look back and realize that the moment you refused to quit was the moment your life truly began. If this message inspired you, don't just feel motivated, take action today. And if you believe someone else needs to hear these words, share this message with them. Your future starts now.